Alright, let's start with the basics. What is cryptocurrency? Now I know some of you might be thinking, I get it, it's digital money, but hold on a second. Cryptocurrency is more than just digital dollars and cents. It's built on this revolutionary technology called blockchain, which is basically a decentralized public ledger that records every single transaction across a network of computers. Think of it like a giant digital spreadsheet that everyone has access to, but no one person or institution controls. That means no banks, no governments, no central authorities calling the shots. Now, this decentralized nature is a huge part of what makes cryptocurrency so appealing to a lot of people. It gives you, the individual, more control over your money. Now, when we talk about cryptocurrency, we're talking about a whole ecosystem of different digital currencies. You've got your OG crypto, Bitcoin, which is like the gold standard, right? Then there's Ethereum, which is known for its smart contract capabilities and its potential to revolutionize everything from finance to supply chain management. And then you've got literally thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features, use cases, and levels of risk. We're talking about everything from stablecoins, which are pegged to traditional assets like the US dollar, to meme coins like Dogecoin, which, let's be honest, started as a joke but somehow gained massive popularity. The point is, the world of cryptocurrency is vast and constantly evolving. So before you even think about investing a single dollar, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals of blockchain technology and the different types of cryptocurrencies out there. Don't worry, we'll dive deeper into all of this in later chapters. Okay, so we've covered the basics of cryptocurrency, but now it's time to talk about another important aspect of cryptocurrency: the risks. Because let's be real, crypto can be incredibly risky, and there are a lot of ways you can lose money if you're not careful. First up, let's talk about volatility. Now, anyone who's even glanced at a Bitcoin chart knows that cryptocurrency prices can swing wildly. We're talking about double-digit percentage gains or losses in a single day, sometimes even within hours. This kind of volatility can be exhilarating if you're on the right side of the trade, but it can also be absolutely gut-wrenching if you're not prepared. Next, we've got regulation. The cryptocurrency market is still relatively new and largely unregulated, which can be both a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, it means there's less red tape and bureaucracy, but on the other hand, it also means there are fewer investor protections in place if something goes wrong. And trust me, things can go wrong. We've seen high-profile cryptocurrency exchanges collapse, countless scams, and hacks that have resulted in billions of dollars in losses for investors. Speaking of scams, the cryptocurrency space is a breeding ground for them. We're talking about everything from phishing attacks to rug pulls to elaborate Ponzi schemes. And then there's the issue of security. While blockchain technology itself is generally secure, the platforms where you buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrency are not always so bulletproof. We've seen countless examples of exchanges being hacked and investors losing their life savings. And if you're not careful about how you store your cryptocurrency offline, you could lose it all in an instant. Look, I'm not trying to scare you away from cryptocurrency altogether, but it's crucial to go into this space with your eyes wide open, understanding the very real risks involved. Remember, this is your hard-earned money we're talking about, so don't let the fear of missing out cloud your judgment. Alright, so we've covered the risks of cryptocurrency, and trust me, they're nothing to play around with. But before you write off crypto entirely, let's talk about the flip side, the potential rewards. Because despite the risks, there are some compelling reasons why people are drawn to cryptocurrency. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room: the potential for massive returns. I mean, let's be real, that's what initially attracts most people to crypto, right? We've all heard the stories of early Bitcoin adopters who turned a few $100 into millions, and while those stories might seem like ancient history now, the truth is, the cryptocurrency market is still relatively young, and there's still potential for significant growth. Now, I'm not saying you're gonna become a crypto millionaire overnight, but if you're looking for investments that have the potential to generate huge returns, crypto definitely has that potential. But it's not just about the potential for quick riches. Cryptocurrency also offers a level of diversification that traditional investments simply can't match. Think about it. When the stock market tanks, what happens? Your portfolio probably takes a hit, right? But cryptocurrency doesn't always follow the same patterns as the stock market. In fact, it often moves independently, which means adding crypto to your portfolio can act as a hedge against losses in other areas. And then there's the accessibility factor. Cryptocurrency has opened up the world of investing to millions of people who previously didn't have access to traditional financial markets. All you need is an internet connection and a smartphone, and you can start buying and selling crypto in minutes. But beyond the potential for profits and diversification, there's also a whole lot of innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space. Blockchain technology, which underpins cryptocurrency, has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. We're talking about everything from supply chain management to voting systems to healthcare. So, yeah, the risks are real, but so are the potential rewards. And for some investors, those potential rewards are simply too enticing to ignore. Alright, so you've decided to dip your toes into the wild world of cryptocurrency. First off, congrats on taking the first step. But before you go throwing your money at every shiny new coin, let's talk about protection. Knowledge is your best defense. Don't just follow the hype or random influencers. Educate yourself about blockchain and market dynamics. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is highly speculative and prices can fluctuate wildly. Choose reputable exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Transfer your crypto to a secure hardware wallet. Popular options include Ledger and Trezor. Be wary of scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. By taking the right precautions, you can minimize risks and potentially reap rewards. So, we've covered a lot of ground in this video. We've talked about the revolutionary technology behind cryptocurrency, the exhilarating highs and the gut-wrenching lows of the market, and the importance of protecting yourself in this wild west of finance. But now it comes down to the big question, is cryptocurrency right for you? And honestly, there's no easy answer. It's not a simple yes or no. It all depends on your individual circumstances, your risk tolerance, your financial goals, and your understanding of this complex and ever-evolving asset class. If you're someone who gets excited by the idea of potentially life-changing returns, who's comfortable with volatility, and who's willing to put in the time and effort to truly understand this space, then, yeah, crypto might be worth exploring. But if you're risk-averse, if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, or if you're not willing to dedicate the time to educate yourself, then crypto is probably not for you. And that's okay, there are plenty of other investment opportunities out there. The important thing is to find what aligns with your individual needs and goals. Now, if you do decide to take the plunge into crypto, remember it's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't go all in on a whim. Start small, diversify your investments, and be prepared for a bumpy ride. This market is not for the faint of heart. But if you approach it with a level head, a healthy dose of skepticism, and a commitment to continuous learning, then who knows? Maybe, just maybe, you'll find yourself on the right side of the next big crypto wave. Look, at the end of the day, cryptocurrency is like any other investment. It comes with risks and rewards. There's no magic 8-ball to tell you whether it's going to make you rich or lose you your shirt. But here's the thing, the more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate this crazy world and potentially come out ahead. So if you're considering investing in crypto, do your research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. And hey, if you decide it's not for you, that's totally fine too. The important thing is to be informed and make decisions that are right for your own financial journey. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.